Welcome to Tutor Hero's virtual classroom. So in this video, I'm going to show you how what the virtual classroom is and how it works. So everything you see here is the virtual classroom. This is where the tutor and the student interact and they talk with each other using voice over IP. So that's the first tool we have. The typing that I'm actually doing now is happening inside the virtual whiteboard. And the virtual whiteboard is just a shared viewing space where the tutor and the student can interact and where you'll see the tutor especially drawing equations and diagrams. So the way the tutor does that is by having an electronic tablet. That's one of these guys here. So the electronic tablet basically imitates a pen and a paper, where it allows the tutor to draw right here on the screen in real time as if he had or she had a pen and paper and we're sitting right next to the student. So I'll just go ahead and draw an equation real fast so you can see how that works. Let's see. Velocity equals change of x over change of time. So I mean that would be kind of a very simple basic formula, but obviously anything that you can draw on pen and paper you can draw right here on the whiteboard. We also have neat tools for special shapes. If you're going to do physics or geometry, you might use some of these special shapes. But the basic idea is that pretty much anything that you can do in real life, you can tutor online in light of these tools. A fourth piece of technology that goes into the virtual classroom is the guided web browser. The guided web browser is pretty neat in that it lets the tutor and the student watch the same web page at the same time. So suppose I'm an expert in macroeconomics. I'm not, but let's just say that I am. Then I could just pop up something like the Phillips curve, we'll say. So I'll go to Google, and everything that you're seeing right now, the tutor would see as well. So it's completely synchronized. So let's see, there's the Phillips curve. And although an economist would find a better source than Wikipedia, we'll just go ahead and use Wikipedia. Scroll down. Here's a nice graph that shows the Phillips curve, which is the relation between the inflation rate and the unemployment rate in an economy. With a simple click, I'll go back to the classroom. And let's see, the guided web browser is really neat for a lot of things. I mean, I've seen tutors use it especially for something like biology, where you don't want to draw mitosis and meiosis. I mean, a tutor can do that, but it's very easy to just paste into this whiteboard images that the tutor finds from the internet, or which is what I did with this image here. So this image I just got on Google, and I pasted it in here. Once it's pasted, I can actually manipulate it and expand it, or change the size and shape, or I can just delete it, which is what I'll do. But that's the web browser for you. The last tool is screen sharing. So screen sharing is a good last resort tool where anything that the tutor can see on his screen, the student could see on his or her screen as well. And that's the biggest use for that would be something like statistics or some kind of Excel or PowerPoint presentation where you're using some other software that you want the tutor to see or that the tutor wants to show you. So that's basically everything else that's on your computer. So again, all these tools combined are what make online tutoring possible with our system. It's very easy, it's very effective, and it definitely saves you the time and energy of actually meeting a tutor and setting up a meeting and all that. But it also means that I could find the very best tutors for you, because instead of being restricted by the tutors that are in your location, you can get a PhD in physics to help your your son or daughter learn physics, or if you're taking an advanced physics course in college or even graduate school, then our tutors are some of the best you could find anywhere. So if you'd like to learn more about our tutoring and how it works, just contact us at tutor@tutorhero.net. We'd be happy to work with you and help you get an appointment set up. We work very fast. We'll respond to you very quickly. And, well, we look forward to working with you.